In this video, we will walk you through the process of installing a new battery into your Frontpoint control panel. Our first step to swapping the battery will be to unplug your panel from the wall outlet. You can now disconnect the red battery wire, which is located at the bottom of the panel. Hold the ends of the battery wire and twist while you pull them apart. The panel is now fully powered down. Next, we will open the control panel. Hold the panel so that the buttons and screen are facing you. On the top of the panel, locate the two buttons shaped like grains of rice and press those in. The panel will now open like a briefcase. Lay the panel with the buttons and screen facing down. You will now see the black battery on the left side of the panel being held in by two white clips. Press back on the white clips one at a time and use your other hand to pull the battery up and out of its location. With the battery dislodged, you will see a red and black wire going to the positive and negative terminals. Pull on these to disconnect the battery. Take our new battery, and if the plastic covers are still on the battery terminals, slide them off now. Reconnect the positive and negative wires to it. Make sure you match the colors red to red for positive and black to black for negative. Position the battery so that the black wire is closest to the green circuit board. Both the red and black wires will need to go underneath the battery with the terminals facing toward the top of the panel where your antenna is located. Position the battery at a 45-degree angle and push it toward the back of the panel and down, and it will snap into place. On the back of the panel between the battery and the hinge, you will see a white connector with a red wire coming out of it. Press this down to ensure we have not dislodged it during battery installation. Make sure the red battery wires are exiting the panel via the slot on the back of the panel. Check to see that the hinge on the bottom of the panel is in place so that the panel can swing closed. Snap the panel closed, just like a briefcase, and reconnect the red battery wires. Plug the AC power adapter back into the wall. Congratulations, you are all done. You may notice a low battery warning for up to 24 hours after installing the new battery. This is normal, as your battery may need time to reach a full charge.